Now, in this section, ninth question, 10th question, 11th question, 12th question we will discuss. In this one, ninth problem, once you see, the 17th term of an AP exceeds its 10th term by 7. Find the common difference. How to solve this type of questions are there means, first you take the 17th term. 17th term there means A is the first term, D is the common difference. This is the per unit step. Then an equal to, how to will write a plus n minus 1 into d. Then first you take 17th term, you find out a 17th equal to a plus 16d you write. Next 10th term you write. 10th term, how to will write a plus 9d. A plus 9d. Now condition, 7th term of an AP exceeds its 10th term by 7. That means A17 equal to A10 plus 7. Now A17, that means A plus 16d equal to A plus 9d plus 7. Now A cancel. Now 16d, that 90 take to this side, minus 90 equal to 7. Now 16d minus 9d equal to 7d, that equals 7. Now d equal to 1. What is the meaning of d? D is the common difference. Therefore, common difference equal to, how much is there means 1. That is the answer for the ninth question. What is the common difference value there means 1. Now see the 10th question. 1 minute and give the time. Please observe it. Now 10th question. Now how to solve the 10th question? That means two APs have the same common difference. The difference between their 100th term is 100. What is the difference between their 1000 terms? That's why two APs are there with the common difference. That's why first AP you take. Let A1, comma, A2, comma, A3, comma, A4, so on are in AP with common difference D. This is the first AP. But here two APs are there. Here what I am taking that means first AP, A1, A2, A3, A4, so on up to so on. N terms are there with the common difference D. Now same manner, if you take second one, let B1, B2, B3, so on are in AP with common difference D only if you take, because common differences are same. That's why values will be different, but common difference is D. Now bifurcate it into two ways. First one, 100th term you take. 100th term equal to, first case how much will come there means A1 plus 99D you get. Because an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. 100th term means first term plus 100 minus 1 into d. That means a1 plus 99d. In the same manner, second term, 100th term you take. This one how to write there means b1 plus 99d. b1 plus 99d. Now, according to the condition, the difference between their 100 term is 100. That means the difference if you take A1 plus 99D minus B1 minus 99D equal to 100. 99D, 99D cancel. A1 minus B1 equal to 100. This is the condition. Now, what you want there means, what is the difference between their 1000th terms? So, this 1000th term we take. how much you will write? A1 plus triple 90. Here 100th term equal to B1 plus 90, 990. Now difference you take. A1 plus 9990 minus B1 minus 990. That equal to both get cancelled. A1 minus B1 you are getting. Now A1 minus B1 value how much is there means 100. So the difference of 1000 terms value how much is there means 100. How to solve? First you take 2 APs. I am taking the 2 APs. It is the common difference will be same. Now you find out 100 term of the first AP, 100 term of the second AP. Now difference given, 100 given in this question. Based upon this one, 1000 terms I am taking. Here I am taking 1000 terms. Now question is the difference between the 1000 terms. Subtracting you get by the 100. Now see the 11th question. This is the 10th question. Now see the 11th question. Now see the 11th question. Here 11th question is how many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7. First you write 3-digit numbers. Where will start 3-digit numbers? 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, so on up to where will end the 3 digits? 999, 998, 997 like that. In this one, what is the condition? Divisible by 7. So in this series, first you take by the divisible by 7 numbers. Divisible by 7 are which numbers? 100, 101, 102, 103, 104 not divisible. Next term will be 105 will be divisible. Next to add by the 7, 112, 119. These all will be divisible by the 7. End of that section, which number will be divisible there means 998. You check it. 7 1 jar 7, 7 4 jar 28, 18, 7 2 jar. So 998 also not divisible. So you take by the 996. 7 4 jar 28, 16, 7 2 jar 14. So not divisible. You take by the 994. 7 1 jar 7, 29, 7 4 jar 28, 4, 7 2 jar 14. So what is the last number? 994. In this manner we check it. Now how many terms are there? This is the question. That's why AN equal to, these all are in the AP. AN equal to 994, A equal to 105, D equal to 7. Apply in this formula. AN equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. AN means 994, A means 105 plus N minus 1 into D value will be 7. Here question will be you find out N value. You find out N value. 994 minus 105 equal to N minus 1 into 7. Subtract it. 14 minus 5 9. This value will be 8. This value will be 8 equal to N minus 1 into 7. N minus 1 equal to 889 by 7. That equal to 7 1 jar 7. 40, 49, 7 7 is 49. How many times you will divisible? That means 127. Now n equal to 127 plus 1, n equal to 128. So how many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7? That means if you take it by the in this way, first you take 100 to 999, you check it, you write, after one by one you check it, last term also you find out, then apply an, then you find out n. So finally how many divisible by 7s are 3-digit numbers are there means 128 numbers are there. This is the 11th problem. Now see the 12th question. Now see the 12th question. 12th question also same manner of the 11th question. How many multiples of 4 lie between 10 to 250? Now 10 to 250 numbers you write first. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, so on. Last will be 250, 249, 248. In this order, question is how many multiples? Multiples of 12 are erect. Sorry, multiples of 4. What are that one? 12, 16, 20, so on. Last will be 248. 249, 250 are not the multiples of 4. Now same concept if you apply, an equal to 248, a equal to 12, d equal to also 4. Now 248 equal to a plus a value 12 plus n value I don't know, n minus 1, d as to write 4. Now 248 minus 12 equal to n minus 1 into 4. Subtract 8 minus 2 4, 8 minus 2 6, 4 minus 1 3, 236 equal to n minus 1 into 4. Now n minus 1 equal to 236 by 4. So n minus 1 equal to divide it. 4 5s are 20, 36, 4 9s are 36. So 59. So n equal to 60. So finally, how many multiples of 4 lie between 10 and 250 are there? Means 60 numbers are there between the 10 to 250. Next class we will go by the remaining problems.